Yeah.
Yeah, I'll put this there. Okay, now I am.
Here you go, Mr. Whitey.
Oh, he's so confused.
You can zoom or whatever you need to. Look at him, he's so cute in the snow.
What is this?
You like it, buddy? Make sure you get a shot of his eyes too. That's pretty. Bugger. There you go. Look at his cute little eyes.
Trying to get over there without falling. I don't know what's solid ground and what's ice. Oh, Mr. White. Hey. Mr. White.
He went into the thing.
Oh my gosh.
He's so cool. You were so cute, Mr. White. You get a shot of his eyes.
Yeah, I'll try and get one.
There, I'll get one too. Here, get with him. Near him, Chelsea. Oh, cut. Look at that cute Mr. White. Mr. White out in the white snow. He's so cute. Who's a good Mr. White? Oh, there's a meerkat back there. Look at him, he's so cute. He's in his own. Look at Mia right behind you. Look, Chelsea.
Oh my goodness. Mr. White, what are you doing?
He's such a little goose. You having fun, buddy? He's so cute. Oh yeah, today is... Oh wait, I already did the day. What's the... oh my... There they go. You guys be nice. At least Mr. White usually is sweet with them. So hopefully they'll get along. Such sweet kitties. Oh goodness. They're so cute. What sweet cats. Alright, I'll get him. The Lucy Goosey. Oh shit. No, I got them. I know. Figure I'd get him a little video of the little Lucy Goosey there. He's so sweet. I'll catch him. Don't worry, I'll stay with him. Just let him have a little bit of fun in the snow. Look, Chels, the tires. Oh shit! Don't worry. The tire's vertical. Remember when you'll have to remember these days when the tires were vertical, Chels. Instead of horizontal. Inside joke for the audience. Lucy! Oh look, there's Solar here. So much cute Solar. Look at Solar up in there. That's why her name's Solar and not Winter or Snowler. Look at that fluffy kitty. Look at that sweet cat. Here's a good Lucy Goosey.
Sweet baby.
Lucy cat, come here. Here's our sweet kitty. Oh my God, he is so cute.
Look at that. Oh my goodness.
My.
That's a little dumb baby.
He's so cute. Lucy. Lucy Goosey.
You wanna go in?
There's like, who's a good Lucy? Look at the camera, Lucy. Come here, Lucasy. Who's this sweet? Who's this sweet? He likes to pose. He's a Vogue cat. Yeah. Lucy Goosey. Grab Lucy and you can pose with him. Here. Look at that Mr. White cat. Oh. Here you go, Chelsea. Oh, go pose over by the thing over here with Mr. White. Maybe he can do that cross-eyed thing. That'd be fun. Mr. White, look at us. Look at the kitties. Look at those sweet kitties. Oh, here comes Mr. Whitey Cakes. Who's looking at Mr. White? He's so sweet. Look at his little face. Oh God, look at the Lucy Cake. Lucy, you have such sweet eyes. They both have sweet eyes. Look at those sweet eyes cat. Alright, let's go take him back in then. It's us and the catties. Oh, and look. And there's the Mia cat over there.
Oh, she's stalking.
Stalky Mia. This is Hellcat, aka Starcat, and she's the wild cat. And we're gonna see how she reacts to the snow. This will be a really fun time. Today is again February 16th, 2021, and it's a recent blizzard. It's like the worst cold front in forever. My body's ready. Come on. Let's see what happens with Snowcat, Starcat, Hellcat. What do you think about the snow, Hellcat? Is this her first time being outside?
Yes.
This is fun. See? What was that? Did the bed fall over? Oh my god, there goes. Those silly cats.
Looking at Hellcat.
That's Lucy cat in there.
She doesn't
Lucy
like
fur.
the frigid temperatures.
Alright. Well, let's see. See, this is. Oh no. Get back. No, me a cat. Don't fight. Oh my god. Alright. Well, at least. Look. And off goes me. Alright. That's a good way to cut right there. Perfect cut.
Oh, she's crying.
Aw, let's get out of here.